Hey everyone, today I have the unboxing of the Chase Sapphire card, the no annual fee card, and even though there's no Chase logo on here whatsoever, I see that it's from Ohio, and all my other cards from Chase have also come from that address. And this is actually only attainable through product changing, so I have now, because of the coronavirus situation, I can't travel anyway, so I've decided to downgrade my Chase Sapphire Preferred into this no annual fee Chase Sapphire card. So let's go ahead and just take it out of the envelope to take a look at how it differs from the Chase Sapphire Preferred card and see what benefits it still has. If you're looking for an unboxing of the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, I have already done a video on that on my channel. I'll link it at the end of this video. Now, for those of you who don't know, this card is not attainable through regular applications, so you can't just go and apply for this card. The only way to get this card is to either downgrade from the preferred or the reserve. And because I had more than one authorized user on my account, it actually came in two separate envelopes, duplicating the inserts in it, plus of course the extra authorized user card, but otherwise the actual pamphlets and all that are exactly the same. So let's thumb through the paperwork here. First up is this return envelope, because the previous card you product changed with is a metal card, and as you know, you can't just shred or cut up metal cards, so they give you a nice return envelope already prepaid, so you can go ahead and put in your previous cards in there for disposal. Next piece of paper here are just kind of the overview benefits of what this card has. So starting off with the simpler one, you can see it's the Chase Sapphire without any other wording behind it. It once again still earns ultimate reward points. Of course, now you can't use it to transfer partners because it's not eligible for that anymore. It's not really a travel card, but as an added bonus, you actually still earn 2 UR points for dining. So it's still a reasonable card to use for restaurants if you really like the UR system. Because it's a no annual fee card, you kind of lose out on quite a few of the travel benefits, but you still have Chase's usual customer service. And then here in the fine print are some of the other terms and conditions and benefits that come with this card. It's constantly changing, so I recommend you just look at Chase's website for the latest updates. Of course, that piece of paper was kind of just an overview. If you want the full benefits guide in print, this is it right here. It's got the Chase contact information, and it has a nice little table of contents breaking out each category of what kind of benefits this card currently offers. Now, that aside, we get to the main star of the show, and that is, of course, the new Chase Sapphire cards right here in this envelope, of course, with my private information covered. Also still features the contactless payment built into the card, and you can see right there I have two because the other one is for my authorized user. And then once again on the bottom, just a reminder to destroy your old card, set up automatic payments if you need to, and yada yada. That's really all it is on that single-sided paper. So let's go ahead and just remove these cards and take a closer look at the design on this card. Once again, you get that reminder sticker that this is able to support contactless payment as long as there's a contactless reader at wherever you are trying to use this card at. So you can see the design is pretty much very similar to the Chase Sapphire Preferred. The big difference here, of course, is that it is now plastic and not metal, to be expected for a no annual fee card. It's still a very clean design, just has the Chase logo with Sapphire on it. I mean, overall, I still really like this card design. And then here on the back, you can see you got that contactless payment logo as well as Visa signature. So it still has this Visa signature perks, which is the same as the Chase Sapphire Preferred here as a quick side-by-side comparison. Again, here's a sound test of plastic versus metal here. So of course this means that your wallet would be a little bit lighter without having to carry around a metal card. A plastic card also means that it is a lot more bendable as opposed to the very rigid metal card. But the material is really the main difference between the two. Again, it has both the contactless payment and are both on Visa signature. The preferred is a little bit darker shade of blue, I would have to say, but otherwise, I mean, it's pretty much the same minus the preferred name under that Sapphire logo. Because I product changed this other letter also came in the mail, which basically confirmed the change and also highlighted some of the key differences here. As you can see, it went from a $95 annual fee down to $0, and the foreign transaction fee has also changed here from 0 to 3% because now this is not really a travel card, so there are foreign transaction fees. But shortly after that phone call to Chase to change this card, I saw that the prorated annual fee was refunded to my account almost immediately. So even before I received my new card, which came in the mail roughly 5 to 10 business days after that phone call. If things go back to normal, I might reconsider upgrading it back to Chase Sapphire Preferred. But for now, I'll enjoy having this Sapphire card in my wallet. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys are interested in the Chase Sapphire Preferred, I did quite a few videos on it. As usual, I'll link them at the end of this video. And make sure you check out my channel for more credit card related videos like this.